Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV converters on Amazon. RV converters transform incoming AC power into DC power to charge batteries and power DC appliances while connected to shore power. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. PowerMax PM4 100 amp power converter. This power converter is one of the most trusted power converters for RVs on today's market. It gained this status due to the top-tier results and enhanced durability offered by its heavy-duty design. This heavy-duty design comes with various features, which make the converter capable of supplying clean DC power and charging your rig's batteries. One of these features is the device's built-in smart charge, which ensures everything will run smoothly. It even features a 4-stage charging process that has made this product a favorite among rig owners. This process ensures your batteries stay charged and never come close to becoming drained. It's just another useful, convenient dynamic provided by this model from PowerMax. Number 2. PowerMax PM3-45 RV Converter Charger. This is a perfect RV converter replacement for your factory unit. It comes with many great features to ensure your rig's 12V devices get the power they require. A few good examples of them are the unit's built-in 3-stage charging system and adjustable supply modes. These two features will ensure your devices get clean DC power while fully charging and maintaining any battery type. It makes this converter become an ideal fit for usage on an RV, boat, automotive, and any other situation where it might be needed. You should also love this product's temperature-controlled fan cooling. This addition will ensure the converter doesn't overheat and provides long-term use. It's features like this one that make sure the product ends up lasting more than a year or two. Number 3. Progressive Dynamics IntelliPower. Anyone looking for the top-rated travel trailer power converters should seriously consider this Progressive Dynamics converter. It's a favorite among rig owners because it is proven to offer safe filtered DC power to all lighting circuits and 12-volt devices inside a rig with ease. You can also benefit from its various built-in protections. One of these is the product's reverse battery protection, which will prevent any damage stemming from a lousy battery lead connection. It's an essential feature to ensuring both your battery and this converter remain useful for a long time. Another one of these protections is the product's low-line voltage protection. As might have guessed from the name, this aspect will prevent any damage from occurring due to low-voltage irregularities for safety purposes. Number 4. PowerMax PM455 AMBA RV Converter. This converter leaves off right where our prior models from this brand did, with its own set of great features. One of them is the product's ability to provide 55 amps of DC power to all your rig's key devices and light fixtures. There's no reason to believe it won't be able to handle all your electrical needs. It also helps that this device has a built-in smart charge like some of our prior models. This particular one has a 4-stage charging process to ensure your battery remains taken care of at all times. You should find this product's cooling fan quite impressive as well. It's one of the few out there that has a reputation for being quiet. You won't have to endure a constant headache-inducing noise level that usually comes from other models. As for its safety protections, this product is fully equipped in that area, too, which should ensure safe operation. Number 5. AIMS Power AC Converter. This converter is a suitable choice for a lot of situations. For instance, it can work with many battery types, such as open lead-acid, AM, gel, and LiFePO4. In each of these situations, this device has shown a sufficient ability to keep those batteries charged and prevent them from becoming drained. You can attribute its results to the device's 3-stage smart charger, which features a variable charging voltage algorithm. This aspect will maximize your battery's lifespan and keep them capable of working for a long time. I was also impressed with this product's adjustable charge current control that allows a buyer to charge smaller batteries safely. It's just another aspect that shows this product's versatility. You can use this product without any sense of worry as well. This lack of concern will come from many built-in protections. These include overvoltage, undervoltage, overtemperature, short circuit, and reverse polarity protections. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.